Hi, this is Watch Hobby. Today I'm just going to show you a special gift that was actually given to me when I got my King Seiko KSK SJE083J1. Now, when I got this also another big rectangular box, but this is not as high end in terms of the box as what I got for the actual King Seiko watch box. This is more of a rather cheap, uh, white cardboard box. So when you open it, immediately what you see in a sort of a bed of what do you call it, hay-like thing or shredded paper kind of stuff. It is a small little pouch, traveling pouch to put the King Seiko. So he has a nice golden colored button that you just push through to open, and that's it. It's very simple. Just use it in and that's it. So this is the free gift that I got for buying the King Seiko. So I suppose I can actually keep the King Seiko in this particular packet, or I can just keep it and anyway, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please give this particular video a thumbs up. Follow the channel. More videos coming up. Okay, bye for now.